Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a weekly vlog. So I've been filming content and some of them were a bit too short to make into a YouTube video, so I just decided to put all the clips into one video to make a weekly vlog. So first thing I did on the 4th of August is I did some laundry. I did not show like putting those to dry. And then on the 5th, I went ahead and I cleaned the entire bathroom. Now, when it comes to cleaning bathrooms, I like to make sure that I am done with the kitchen, I'm done cooking, cleaning, and everything. Because for me, even though I wash my hands like 1,000 times, I feel like it is unsanitary to come from the bathroom and then go to the bathroom to or wash dishes or to cook. So I made sure that I cook and did all I can do before I went ahead and cleaned the bathroom. I'm using this bleach that is specific for toilet bowls, and it really cleans the toilet. So yeah, make sure something that I've learned while cleaning toilet or cleaning in general, make sure you have different whatever it is, like cloth for different part of the bathroom. Like you wouldn't want to use this toilet cloth to wipe off your sink. And something that I've also learned is a toilet is the one place in a bathroom or in your house that has or carries the most germs. So even taking 15 minutes out of your week to clean it is not only going to help you, but it's also going to help your family. And plus, it is very therapeutic to clean with. Well, it is for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the seat, and I'm going to do clean all of the exterior part before I go ahead and clean inside of the toilet bowl. I just love this rose pattern on top of the toilet seat. It's just I rarely see it, but when I do love to admire it a bit. Let me know in the comment what are some of your cleaning hacks, and if you're someone who uses natural ingredients to clean, please let me know. I'm on my journey of trying to use natural things to clean with. So now that I have finished the exterior, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of the same bleach inside. Now the water itself is not dirty, but even if you don't see it, it is there. So by me cleaning the toilets inside, you are seeing the water just getting a little bit dirtier because it's just getting rid of things that our eyes cannot see. I got these off of Amazon, and they help to keep the bathroom fresh. So every time you flush, it releases like orange scent or pineapple. It just releases a good scent, so the bathroom always feels fresh and nice. So I will link it in the description for anyone who's interested in getting. And this is how it's looking. Come out like a flower. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the sink. Now that yellow spot that you're seeing there, before I place those stamps in the toilet bowl, I normally place them inside the sink, but because we use it so often, they just get washed away. So I placed this one at the side thinking it lost a long time. It did, but it won't come off because it has dried off. Yeah, it's dried on there, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it off. And the to be honest, the bathroom, they're not that dirty, but as I say, germs are there that you and I cannot see with our naked eyes. So just make sure that you go in and you clean it once in a while. Now I decided that the shower floor needed a good scrub, and you guys, I was on my knees scrubbing the living out of this. I was on my knees, and I could tell you when I was done, everywhere hurts. The next morning, everywhere hurts. But yes, I didn't use any of the bleach. I used washing powder and some bleach, and I some natural all around bleach, and I scrubbed in between, and it was looking, but you guys will see that and then it was looking so much better, and it didn't even take me like, even though it hurts afterward, but it didn't even take me like 15 minutes to wash the shower. So I decided just to focus on washing um the floor of the shower instead of the shower walls, I should say, just because this is the area I feel that get used the most, and anything sand or whatever gets filled into the holes. So this is the reason why I decided to take the time to just clean this area, and you guys will see how it will look in the end. And you're seeing all this sand, whatever you bring in from the house and you wash it out, your bed, it's going to come out and stay on the bathroom floor. Unless every shower you take, you wash your bathroom floor, it's just gonna stay there, and it's gonna be uncomfortable when you bed because you're gonna feel all the sand underneath your toes. So, just saying. So I'm just now rinsing it and trying to get all the salt to go into the drain, and I'm gonna show you guys the results in a couple of seconds. Let me know if you guys want more weekly vlog video, and just let me know what you want, because sometimes like I go blank and I have no idea what to post, so please let me know. So you guys can see how shiny it's looking already. It's not even 100% done. Do you see how shiny this look? I know the camera light is on, but do you see how shiny it look? So a couple days later, I went to the grocery store and just to pick up a few things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and carry you guys around as I pick up some stuff. So this is practically the end of the video. You guys are just going to see a little sight of my country, but like this is basically it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment what kind of videos you like to see from me next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.